hurt me. Bobrisky threatened me that I should leave.
Hello everyone, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Thank you to all my returning subscribers. God bless you guys. Thank you for coming back again and again. To my new subscriber, you're highly welcome. And if you have not subscribed, subscribe and be part of this great family. Yes, my beautiful people, I don't still come back again with another gist. This very one about Bobrisky and Jess Brown. I don't really know why Bobrisky they threaten Jess Brown, say he want take Jess Brown live, and Jess Brown even do video about it, and Jess Brown even talk about how Bobrisky take threaten and everything. And some months ago, a bit some years ago, this Jess Brown even come out come talk about in lifestyle, how he himself take get HIV. He says since wey in dey small now he take get the HIV. I don't know why Bobrisky wan die for this guy matter. Even that time wey the guy come explain how he take wey he dey small, wey he get the HIV, and a lot of people really insult the guy, while some people even sympathize with the guy, and people come even dey say he even get courage for him to come out come talk about him lifestyle, and the guy really talk many things about him lifestyle and all those kind of things. He no be cross dresser, and how he say the time wey he dey small wey he get the HIV. Even that time sef, a lot of people come even dey dash am money. Even this Bobrisky even dash am money. E be like that money wey Bobrisky dash am that time, be like say he wan use the money against this very guy. So, and the guy even complain that say he himself come dey beg money for him for Bobrisky page, all those kind of things. While the guy come even come and come explain say he never beg Bobrisky one day money. Say make Bobrisky dash am ₦1. He say at all. Now the guy come even talk say he himself na person wey in dey work with him 2 hands, and in dey do a lot of advert for a lot of people. They pay him. He never one day beg Bobrisky money. It's like that money wey Bobrisky dash the guy that time. Then I said Bobrisky they make jest of the guy. I say maybe the guy they beg money, and na him use him mind take dash the guy that money that time, because when the guy will come explain he no know when he take get the HIV. It's just like that money wey Bobrisky dash am that time. He dey use the money against this guy, so Jess Brown, and Bobrisky dey threaten this guy. They threaten am say make Jess Brown no dey copy him content, and Jess Brown even come and say he no be cross dresser. Him own cassava dey work 24 hours, and secondly in cassava in dey use am take dey service lady. He no be cross dresser, and wetin he just dey do for social media now just to entertain people. He na comedian. He no dey into all those cross dresser. And secondly, there's no one day wey he take copy Bobrisky content. And if you see Jess Brown something, because Jess Brown na person wey e dey make person laugh, and he himself na comedian. And if you be that kind of person wey dey follow Jess Brown, you know say wetin Jess Brown dey do and wetin Bobrisky dey do na different thing entirely. I no see any reason wey Bobrisky go come say Jess Brown dey copy him own content, because two of them they do their things dey differently. Wetin they do for social media, and if you dey follow these two people, you still know say na different thing entirely. Because Jess Brown na person wey if he come out, he dey make person dey laugh, and he himself still talk and say he na comedian. He no be cross dresser like Bobrisky wey be cross dresser. Because Bobrisky that we all know say he na all in thing na about billionaire, all in thing na about money. Na that one just dey after. Like Jess Brown now, in things wey they do now to make person laugh. No be say maybe sometimes you go see am say you go dress like woman, you go see dress like man as him be. And this James Brown na person wey dey respect Bobrisky well well, because two of them, James Brown just take Bobrisky like godmother. Even this Bobrisky wey come dey even dey threa ten James Brown so, because Bobrisky take James Brown as im own grandson or like im own pikin, because I no see any reason wey Bobrisky go come and go come dey threa ten this James Brown, say James Brown dey copy im own con ten t. Haba, everybody dey social media na wetin you know say you like, wey you know say yes, if you do am you go see people go still like am. Na a lot of people dey do for social media. I no see any reason wey Bobrisky himself go come and say James Brown dey copy him. And Bobrisky even talk a lot of things, say James Brown dey come in comment section come dey beg for money, and in which James Brown talk something like that, say he never one day beg Bobrisky money. Wetin Bobrisky for just do, because you know say a lot of people dey use all those fake accounts go dey ask money, because maybe these people now wey do this kind thing, they know say two of them they love themselves, because say even James Brown even talk and say he na person wey dey respect Bobrisky well well. And it's like James Brown, he wan even be like Bobrisky, because the way that one see dey do, but that one im own, that one just talk and say he no be cross dresser, but him dey do am to entertain people. If him come and go outside with him friends, him dey dress like a normal person, like a man wey him be. He no dey dress dey go outside, say maybe you come dress like woman like a Bobrisky. Say no, he no dey do that kind thing. Say even him friends they can also testify to that. He say once in dey come out, in dey dress like normal other human being, normal jeans, normal t-shirt. You just come and say in own cassava sef, in dey use in own cassava take dey service people. James Brown even take Bobrisky like in own mentor. You know say if you maybe you see person, you say this person just like the way they do, I want make this person be my mentor. Now so James Brown take Bobrisky. Now so he take Bobrisky, because now way Bobrisky come out come dey threa ten James Brown, my people no be waiting good, because the two of them they be 5 and 6, or may I put am that way, because James Brown dey respect that lady Bobrisky, whether na lady abi na man, my people. James Brown dey respect that Bobrisky well well. It's just like in your mentor, because two of them they be it's just like a brother and sister. And secondly, there's a lot of cross-dresser for that Nigeria. Why it be say Bobrisky come and say James Brown wan copy am? Let's assume that James Brown wan turn to a cross-dresser like Bobrisky. This guy is full. This guy is a no for anybody wey wan swim, my people. I no see any reason wey Bobrisky come say abi because he na cross-dresser, he no want another person do like the way he take do. Everybody have his own life to live, my people. If person decides okay, he wan live the way you want to live your life, I say no reason wey person will come and say that person dey copy that person. Even himself wey be Bobrisky, no be copy, he still copy another person wey he come dey dress like woman. So he himself still copy from other person. Well, my people, I go put the video make una hear from James Brown. Make una hear from James Brown, man, and how you take explain everything. Well, thank you guys. See you guys on my next video. Bye bye.
Hey darling, it's your boy James Brown. Can you believe what happened this afternoon? Bobrisky reached out to me. I thought he wanted to greet me, hurt me. Bobrisky threatened me that I should leave whatever I'm doing, every content on my page, that I should leave it, that I'm copying his content. Please, I want to ask you guys, am I copying Bobrisky content? He even threatened to kill me. Oh no, my baby, oh my dick pelumini. I'm serious. I was shocked, because I actually love Bobrisky. So So is it bad for? And he was like, mo fẹ́ 100k, 100k tí mo fún ẹ, mo máa gbà, mo help ẹ gbà yẹn. Please, Bobrisky, I will never fight with you. I repeat, I will never fight with you because I see you as an elder. But all I want to tell you, one, can like ọmọ ekere ma, go on my buga. One, there's some elder that don't want your own go to go. If it's 100k you want, Bobrisky, I am ready to give it to you. Kò wá kò mí pé tí mo ké mo jẹ́ mo lu ma kí mo lu kabusa kò possible. Na mi tó kọ́ mi ó kọ́ mi tán ni. Ṣọlá Ajé orin ní pọkọrọ. Because I don't understand. Bobrisky, you know I respect you so much. You from the video you're like nobody reach out to me, blah blah blah. To be sincere, a lot of people reach out to me. You were the only one that posted on Instagram. You were the only one. During that time, I got close to 500,000 naira. Bank Mimoleri. Lot of them, they say behind the scene. They just send me their account, say your account number. I like your boldness. People send me money, but you reach out to me and you dash me money, which is good. But if you feel like that, why you come to beg for the money? So you can't use it to insult me. I never enter your DM to beg for the money. You give me money out of your willingness. You get? So please, your content and my content are not the same thing, and I'm not scared of any fucking damn thing because I was born brick. I was born to star. I was born to rise. And if you feel like this is a threat, trust me, I will never fight. Most people are getting it all wrong. I am not a cross-dresser. Read my lip. I will never drag with Bobrisky. You are interested. I'm a comedian, pure comedian. Okowa Labemi, I have it and I'm using it back to back. I don't come on social media and do those things he does. She does. I cannot come and do it. I'm just doing it for fun. More shit take me more. You can come in, ask people that hang out with me. If you're taking me out for like hang out, I was like a guy, normal guy. Can't you see I'm looking like? Me or work me or need strength to go. It's just for fun. So you should not feel. Don't be threatening, please, baby girl. Do not be threatening, because you're being threatening means there's something behind it. Like there's something way behind it. And please, come out and say everything in your mind. Because trust me, I'm too young for you to be fighting with. Don't you think so? I don't understand. Like I'm just saying though.